Yeah, yeah, yeah. Could've told me the truth, could've told me a lie. Should've known you wouldn't do it, should've known you wouldn't try. Should've known I would lose, even when I provide.
Alright, the products I use, my tire shine is my tire shine. It works, I'm not gonna lie. Then got my wash and wax. Right here, the best. My drying towel, that's about it. Then my microfibers. I'm saying, invisible glass. This sucks.
It must be, it must be, it must be, it must be, yeah. I gotta say, I love you, I love you, I love you. And trust you, and trust you, and trust you. You love me, you love me, you love me. Then trust me, then trust me, then trust me. It must be, it must be, it must be the end. It must be, it must be, must be the end. It must be, it must be. Yeah. Tell me who's to blame? You, me, and the game. Money, power, to fame. Must be one, it must be some. We both feeling ashamed. I should have been loving someone else. You were doing the same. Yeah, I was fucking on someone else, cause you were doing the same. I just wish you had something to say. We could've discussed the pain. Yeah. It must be, it must be, it must be the end. It must be, it must be, it must be the end. It must be, it must be, it must be the end. I loved you, but I didn't trust you, didn't trust you, didn't trust you. But you love me, you love me, you love me. But I didn't trust me, didn't trust me, didn't trust me.
Alright, I'm finished. I'm finna do a little wax. But y'all see how them tires glistening, boy. You see my reflection in there? Like, you can see me clearly. This shit clean. I can't even cap, like. And then look at the tires. The tires just really, I'm saying, like, finish it off. Alright, now I'm done cleaning my car. The Yappa has not started yet. I'm finna go on a POV drive, you know what I'm saying, through the city. Show y'all, you know what I'm saying, like, just how the car moving for real. But goddamn, yeah. I see I got the Morocco jersey on. Morocco vlogs on the channel, bro. Y'all go watch that shit, man. For real. Goddamn, yeah. Quick little yap sesh before I start the POV. Only thing I have done to this car is a little bit of outside customizations, you know, made the car look better. I did a muffler delete and resonator delete. Now, I got a lot of controversy over my muffler delete and resonator delete, bro. On TikTok, people loved the fact that I did a muffler delete and resonator delete. On YouTube, niggas was on my ass about doing a muffler delete, bro. Like, niggas was mad. Like, I'm gonna try to put the comments on the screen and shit, but nigga, them niggas was mad, like, dead ass mad. That I got a muffler delete on my shit. And like, I know I got shit on the way for my car. Like, I'm finna get a tune. I'm finna put an intake in it. The tune on the way. The tune not built yet, bro. They still working on the tune. Unitron, whatever you want to call it. They still working on the tune. Like, that's all I'm waiting on. Once my shit done, I'm gonna get my shit tuned. My shit gonna be stage 1. Smooth, bro. Like, nigga, this is just the beginning of my journey. But goddamn, fuck y'all. Like, straight up, bro. I'm finna show y'all niggas how my shit move in traffic. And I know it's slow. It's a slow car. It's not a fast car right now, bro. It has a limiter, bro. It don't even go past 120 miles, bro. Like, they got a limiter on the car. The limiter needs to be removed. And that is done once I get the tune. And the tune is not built yet, like I said. So, the car is still a work in progress. You know what I'm saying? We still getting there. Like, this is not the end of my build. And I hope y'all all know that. And I hope y'all believe me at that, nigga. Goddamn, I got a job. I could pay for the shit. Y'all see, I had the car for goddamn since February, bro. If I was broke, I would not have this shit. Come on now. I've been paying the note. Like, stop playing with me, bro. Like, well, fuck all that talk, bro. I'm finna just get into the little POV, bro. Mind you, this is the 1.4 liter. It's not the Quattro. It's the premium Audi A3. Nothing special, y'all. But I love my car. Y'all see, I take care of my car. I clean it. I maintain it. All type of shit. I do gotta check engine light right now, but I'm finna get my catalytic converter replaced. And that's about it. Any hate in the comments, just let me know. I will respond, I promise. Damn, big ass pothole. Oh, look at that house. GLE 53 in the driveway with the Tundra. Damn, these houses nice. Yeah, folks. Oh shit, there go 12. Nigga drove right past me. I was going 75. I'm saying, I think this car, bro, nobody give a fuck about it for real, for real. When they see it on the road, I never get bothered by police. Cause it's not no geeked up ass Audi. How it sound, y'all? Y'all let me know. Alright, a little bit of traffic. I'm gonna show y'all boy how to get through Atlanta traffic. First off, merge, you feel me? Get over it. Don't stay over it up, cause the exit over it up. You see how I just got over all over? For all the women watching my channel. You can learn something. That right look.
UAV truck close to BP. I still play the review, man. My wrist is a PP. It's a pet for leaks. Ain't price of Richard, man. whole boss stuff, she on my roster, she T for real. Talk on jail, home G, playing bird, hit me leave, roll them states. Had to hit my little brother with another gun. They say they home rolling out for days. How reaching out, age looking like a syntax, spoiler like a baby. You made it easy to build your cases. You said them weed on all your pages. Right through the hood, back where they killed the G, they left him on the pavement. They bird first saw, they hit him with a trap now. Hope he get probation. I used to be in the car with Lil Quint. One day I seen him serve his mama. Better be her rush in the trenches. He left a graveyard.
I'm gonna be honest, that was a bad move. I shouldn't have did that shit. Like, I think I'm a little too hyped because I'm recording this shit. But goddamn, usually I don't take cuts like that, especially when there's traffic like this, because you get through you get through and you put your life in danger, you put the other person's life in danger, and you don't get nowhere because you're still in traffic. Like them New York niggas, I don't know, but I know me personally, like, I don't know, that shit don't make no sense to be doing all that cutting using stop and go traffic. Like, I'd rather do that when it's a little more fluidity, you know? Yellow traffic, not red. This shit red. Look at that S4 and that shit clean.
They call me Barbary, had a European broad, fly the bitch out from Netherlands. Codeine on fire, and I double cone styrofoam.
Bitch, ma, this shit right here, this relentless right here. Ma, you know who the fuck I'm on, right? Come sit at the let out and blow up the show. Don't fuck with a bitch that'll never say no. Bitch, we grew up with smoke, can't chop out a stove. When we run off the hill, everybody got blow. With the yoke, get the blow, make a whole week. Get this hit about this fully, bitch, you been thinking. I dropped out of school, I ain't graduated. I don't want coke from the nigga, cause he using head. I can wake up a hood with the Drake, I'ma show how that Drake. Nigga, you want this to hit you in your face. I'ma fast these niggas to stay in they place. I'ma pay what I would, make them spend every day. Got the young niggas happy, cause I just put 2 Drake. Drink to the face, leave a fuck nigga 2 face. Bitch took the boot out, she been up for days. She been fucking for money, I got her a raise. I cool in the club with the tool out. Back in the day, I was trapping, ain't go to no school. I'm sitting outside the school out. You in the way, better move out. I'm trying to groove in a nigga bitch mouth like a fucking eye. I seen his face from that list, he a bonafide. Weird ass nigga, like, why would you fuck a child? Bitch, 10K in a day, I can do it from chopping. 5K every month, that's just right. That was only for singles, imagine this. I still selling the power and stocking the child. You know what I got, bitch, look at my back. I get up in the counts, I ain't thinking about stock. Got the money to show for the shit that I'm rapping. Got the money to show for the shit that I'm rapping. Bitch ass niggas be capping. Said that they trapping, but that nigga hustling back. He try to run up on me, I hit a shot out the stick and I blow him back. I'm putting spank on the peas. That mean if you up the road, bitch, I'm trying to tax you. My mother ain't know why I grew up the devil. Scars on my face, Glock in the spoon in my hand. I'm trying to step like a rapper. Blow up and draw, no we ain't calling it quits. I'm gonna be stepping forever. Loyalty forever. That mean if you try to spend, we gon' be stepping together, bitch. Bitch, just show me a rapper that's better than Sam. Became my opponent and I had to smash. Was with me and switch to get you niggas crazy. Still go me the plug with the sticky in the bag. I was moving out of bounds, had the sticky in my hand. This shit for whoever, but I want my man. But fuck it, I'm dropping, cause he think I'm playing. I'm not no regular rapper, I'm really on go. For saying I'm scared, I'm killing you slow. Get over top, least I won't get smoked. But I don't give a fuck, cause I'm clutching this pole. Deep in this shit, I snatch me a soul, bitch. Ma.
Double R produced it.
Ain't gonna lie, 12 definitely be around here. I am wildin'. Alright, 0 to 60, let's do it. How long was that? I know this shit is slow though. So like I ain't taking no hate. I accept it. I'm done with all that crazy shit. Alright, so yeah, man, my car, I love it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And like, if I'm being honest, the only hate I get on my car really comes from like niggas on YouTube, to be honest, bro. Like on Instagram, TikTok, everybody fuck with my shit. Everybody be liking my shit. Everybody be DMing me. Niggas be DMing me talking about your shit fire, bro. I swear to God. Even niggas on Reddit fuck with my shit more than niggas on YouTube. But goddamn, that shit crazy. Like, niggas always gonna hate. And like the car, I'm gonna be honest though. If you think you trying to buy you some, bro, what's up with niggas, bro? If you think you trying to buy some geek shit, do not buy this car. Like, like if you trying to buy some shit for your girl, if you trying to goddamn, you know what I'm saying, get your mama right, maybe, then you buy this car. But for a nigga, like, nah, this ain't the car. Like, I mean, yeah, for a nigga, this ain't really the car to buy, if I'm being real. Like, a nigga should buy, like, the S5, S4, A5, anything above a 3. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just keeping it 100, bro. Unless you're driving the S3 or RS3. Like, straight up. You see how, bro, niggas in Rivers don't know how to drive for shit. I swear to God, niggas in Rivers don't know how to drive for shit. I swear, I remember at one point it was like a stat. I think it was on that though. They said that shit was like the most dangerous road in all of the United States. Because of how many accidents there. I don't know if that's cap. Somebody had told me that. Goddamn, yeah, man. Like, but I love my car, bro. A nigga cannot tell me like, a nigga can't make me feel bad about my car, bro. CLS 550. A nigga can't make me feel bad about my car. Cause I like it. You feel me? Who should have that? It's a motorcycle, ain't it? Sound like a motorcycle. Y'all know we're on the south side with it. I think it's enough. That's enough content, I think. But damn, I gotta call somebody real quick and shit. I ain't gonna cap. I appreciate y'all boys watching this video. I'm gonna try to do more content on my car, but I really don't want to show y'all my shit until it's done. Cause I don't like how it is right now, to be honest. I want to get my intake, I want to get my tune done, all type of shit. Like, there's a lot of stuff I want to do. And I'm not ready to show the world yet, like, my bills right now. So I'm gonna try, like, you know, just to put it in there. Y'all can probably check my YouTube shorts and shit, my TikTok page. But for now, I'm probably not gonna post my car that much. Give me about 2-3 months though.